Google's annual developer conference, Google I/O, happened yesterday, and they announced more genuinely useful stuff than I expected. Now, there are four things that I think are worth your time. The first is a 24/7 AI agent inside of Gmail. They've also announced the biggest search overhaul in 25 years, voice-powered document creation, and a new image and video generation toolset built directly into the apps you already use. Hi, I'm Marcus Netto, and I help small business owners figure out where AI is actually worth their time and money. Hit subscribe if that's useful to you. The announcement I keep coming back to is called Gemini Spark. We talked about it yesterday. Spark is a 24/7 personal AI agent, and I want to be specific about what that means. This isn't a chatbot you open and ask questions. It's software that runs in the cloud without your phone or laptop open or on, doing things on your behalf. Out of the box, it connects to Gmail, Google Docs, and Calendar. And this summer, they're saying it expands to third-party apps through a standardized connector format, Model Context Protocol, MCP, which means it'll eventually reach into a lot of the tools you're already using. Now, here's what it can actually do. If you run a service business with a decent volume of email, Spark can watch for threads from specific clients, pull everything into a summary, and flag what actually needs a response. It can draft replies for you to review before anything goes out, and critically, before it takes any meaningful action. It stops and asks for your confirmation. That guardrail matters. Agents that act without checking first are a liability. Spark rolls out next week to Google AI Ultra subscribers in the US, and Ultra starts at $100 a month. Now, connected to Spark is something called Daily Brief. Every morning, Gemini digs through your Gmail, calendar, and tasks and builds a digest of what's happening that day. Deadlines that are buried in email threads, upcoming events, suggested new steps. I've tried to build a version of this manually, and it's genuinely annoying to set up. Having it happen automatically inside the app you already use is a different experience. Daily Brief rolls out today to Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers. And Plus is just $20 a month. Google called this the biggest upgrade to search in 25 years, and honestly, I think it holds up. The search box now expands as you type and accepts images, files, videos, and the one that I'm excited about, Chrome tabs as inputs, not just text. The AI is designed to anticipate your intent, not just autocomplete your words, but to help you formulate what you're actually trying to ask. That's available globally starting today. Now, the piece I'm more interested in is information agents. These are agents you set up inside of Search that run in the background and monitor the web constantly. So think things like you want to monitor blogs or news or social posts, maybe finance data or shopping prices. You get notified when something changes. Now, for a business, that means tracking a competitor's pricing, monitoring industry news, watching a supplier, following a regulation that affects you without you having to go look. I mean, it's pretty incredible. The agent reports back to you, and again, coming this summer for Pro and Ultra subscribers. Google also announced, as if that wasn't enough, Google also announced voice features across Gmail, Docs, and Keep under the name Live. Gmail Live lets you search your inbox by speaking naturally. You ask what the gate number for your flight is or what the school sent home last week, and it finds the answer in your email and tells you. Docs Live takes your spoken thoughts and turns them into a structured first draft. Talk through what you're thinking. Messy, out of order, doesn't matter. We used to call that brain vomit. Well, anyway, it will organize it into a document, and it can pull in content from Gmail, Drive, and web if you let it. For anyone running a business where you're constantly moving, in your car, on a job site, between clients, whatever it is, capturing and organizing your thinking by talking instead of typing is a real shift. These roll out this summer for Pro and Ultra subscribers. Last one, and this is the one I think I'm most excited to test. Google launched Google Pics. Not Google Photos, that's a different app. This is a standalone image generation and design tool built directly into Drive, Docs, and Slides. This will allow you to do things like create flyers or social graphics, marketing images from scratch. You can edit photos, like move objects, resize them, replace them, without touching the rest of the image. No exporting, no re-importing. It's already inside of the tools that you're using. There's a small group of testers using it now, but broader rollout will be this summer for everyone now, Pro and Ultra. And Gemini Omni is a new model family built for video. You can load in footage that you've already shot and change the lighting, change the environment, the camera angle, conversationally. You can combine images and audio and video to create something new, or you can even generate an avatar that looks and sounds like you. Is this really me? Anyway, free access to Omni is live today inside of YouTube Shorts and the YouTube Create app. The full Gemini app version requires Plus, Pro, or Ultra. For a small business, this means generating a 15-second product video from a few reference photos, or creating a social clip showing your service in a different setting, or even remixing existing footage without hiring a video editor. I mean, this is really good stuff. I can't wait to dig into this. Now, the through line across all of this is that Google is building AI into every surface you already use: search, Gmail, Docs, YouTube. Their bet is that the best AI is the kind that you don't have to think about because it's already there. Anyway, thanks for listening. If you got something out of this, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps. Till tomorrow, ciao.